Congratulations, you have just purchased Structure and Style for Students Year 2 Level B Basic course. My name is Julie Walker and I'm here to help you unbox your product. The first thing that you'll notice is a What's in the Box flyer. This will explain to you some of the same things that I'm teaching you right now. Also, what's in here is the Forever Streaming Activation Card. Don't lose this. You need this to register your product and give your students access to the videos. Now, if you happen to purchase the DVDs, you will not have this. So either DVDs or Forever Streaming Card. Then you'll find your student binder, and packaged in here is the teacher's manual and the student packet. We're going to take apart the student packet and set up your student binder. So take everything out of the plastic bag, open up your student binder, and drop it in the back. Then, as explained on page 5 in the teacher's manual and in the student materials, take the first few pages from your student packet and put it at the front of your student binder. That's it. Structure and Style for Students, Year 2, Level B. Binder all set up. Your student is now ready to start learning. We believe it will be effective, enjoyable, and we guarantee it.